Hi, my name is Bill, and today I want to show you how to replace the condenser fan motor on your fridge. The reason why you might have to replace the condenser fan motor is because your fridge or freezer aren't cooling properly, it's noisy or loud, or it's running all the time. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a ratchet with a 1/4-inch socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. So to get to the condenser fan motor, we're going to have to get to the back of the fridge. So we'll pull this out, spin it around. Now we're going to take these screws off holding the back panel on. Now we can put that aside. Okay, this is going to be our condenser fan motor. This is the fan blade. Now we'll use our 1/4-inch socket here because we've got this pipe here. And you definitely don't want to move that. That goes to the condenser. And that's got some gases in there that you'd have to have a professional come out and recharge for you if you broke those pipes. Now that we have the fan motor unplugged, we can kind of pull this out a little bit and get that out so we can get to the wires a little bit easier. And what we'll have to do is just push on this tab here and pull it right out. Now we can take the fan blade off. All we have to do is pull straight up. There we go, just like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement condenser motor. If you don't have one already, you can get one on our online store. We'll attach the fan blade to the motor. We'll push that down, straight on there. And you can plug it in right back into here. You gotta get all these lined up again. Put one screw in to hold it, and we'll just screw it in by hand just for the time being until we're ready to put all of them in. Alright, so now that I've got those hand tightened, I'm just going to tighten them up with the ratchet the rest of the way. And you're just going to want to be careful with that compressor line right there. You don't want to break that at all, otherwise it's going to cost you a lot to fix it. Now that you've got that secured back in place, just make sure that the fan spins freely and you'll be all set. Now we can put the back panel on, make sure the holes line up, and you can screw it back into place. Now we've got all the screws back on, we can turn our fridge back around, and you can plug it in to make sure it works, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.